Hello one and all. In this video we are discussing the difference between C3, C4 and CAM pathway. In C3 pathway mesophyll cells are included, while in C4 pathway bundle sheath and mesophyll cells play major role, and mesophyll cells in C3 and C4 both are included in CAM pathway. C3 pathway found in all plants following photosynthesis. Tropical plants show C4 pathway, while the plants growing in semi-arid conditions show the CAM pathway. Plants following C3 pathway are xerophytic, mesophytic and hydrophytic. Mesophytic plants follow the C4 pathway. CAM pathway is followed by xerophytic plants. In C3 pathway, photosynthesis is seen at larger rates. It is not seen in C4 pathway, while in CAM pathway it is seen at noon time. 3-phosphoglycerate is the first product released in C3 pathway, while in C4 pathway oxaloacetate is the first product which is released, and 3-phosphoglycerate in the daytime and oxaloacetate at night is released by plants in CAM pathway. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.